Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to back up your WhatsApp chats and conversations using WhatsApp Business app. Follow these easy steps to easily create backup file using WhatsApp Business. Go ahead and launch your WhatsApp Business app on your phone, and now tap on this menu icon at the top right, and here tap on settings. Here tap on chats and scroll down, tap on chat backup. And now to backup, first of all you have to add your Google account. So tap on Google account, and from here by tapping on add account you will be able to add a new Google account. But I'm going to selecting my existing Google account here, and tap on frequency, and from here you can enable automatic backup. You can select daily, weekly or monthly, but I'm selecting never. And to backup your WhatsApp including videos, enable this option, and now all you have to need, just tap on backup, and that's it. As you can see, I've successfully backed up my WhatsApp chats from WhatsApp Business. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.